Good day, I am Christian Maala from ICTB. Today, I will be presenting our library management system created as part of our research project. The first picture is student registration. Here, student can register an account and generate a QR code that they can use to log in. I am now registering an account. Here, after registering an account, the user can download the QR code to proceed with the login process or scanner. I am now on the login or scanner page where we can scan the QR code we downloaded to log in. Here, I'm trying the login pages and checking if the information we entered during the registration works, like the student ID, section, and strand. They can also see the time we log in, and if we scan again, it will show the time we log out. Next, let's look at the borrow and return features. Here, we can borrow and return books. We can also check the availability of the books. As you can see, I'm borrowing a book. Let's see if it works. As you can see, it worked. The book was successfully borrowed. I am now trying the return books feature. And lastly, let's try adding a book. This feature allows us to easily add new books to the system. It works. Here, we can see the copy of the books and how many are available.